guys, and welcome back to Prime League. Today we're doing a video on FR Legends, which, as some of you know, is it's a mobile drifting game, sort of. Big YouTubers such as Slapchain play this game, and thought, yeah, why not give it a try. Some of you may have seen my Forza video, which I'll leave a link to in the description. Right, so let's do this first race. Today what we're going to do is just see if we can get enough cash to, upgrade his car. Oh yeah, I forgot about that, I need to fix that. Oh. So today's going to be a short video, but we can make it work, I think. Right, so let's go into the second race. I've not currently unlocked multiplayer, so sorry for that. Oh, I'm so bad. As soon as I unlock multiplayer, I probably will do a video on it, but that's about it. Oh. Right, so coming into the last corner and finished. That's gonna put an extra cost on us car, and we're not doing any good luck. The bumper has fallen off. Let's stitch it back on. We'll do this one because I'm most familiar. As soon as I unlock multiplayer, I probably will be doing the AI battle, just to get used to the tandem mechanic of this game. Because I only downloaded the game a few hours ago. Thought it'd be a good idea, and I've non-stop played it ever since. So yeah, this is a fairly new channel. As I said earlier, I've only got one video up, and I'd love it if you go back and watch it. It's Forza. I'm using a wheel there. Right, yes, we've not upgraded, but you know, we've fixed his car, so we should be fine now. I'm sorry if my voice is a little bit fucked up, but it's been recorded from my phone audio, as this is a mobile app. We should be fine though, so let's see how it works. Right, so coming into the last corner once again. That wasn't the best, but we can make it work. Right, so what do we want? Well, first we want to hang on, how do I do this? There. We want to turn down the camber on this, so let's do it about there. Same with this one. Yeah, let's pull it out, why not? Right, so in the comments, if you have any sort of disagreement to the colour, the car in general, please inform me, because I will take it out. I'll change it just so like it looks a bit better, but at the moment I don't think it looks too bad. Right, so first corner, decent, not the best though. So first transition, second transition, smooth. We're not doing too bad, to be fair. So in the comments, I'd like you to tell me if you're excited for Christmas, and where are you from. I want to know who's watching. To be fair, won't be too bad. Oh, no. That's going to cost a bit. Yep, $600. I don't even have that. Yeah, as I said in the beginning of the video, I've seen big YouTube names such as Slaptrain been recording videos on this game, and that's where I basically got it from. So I think it's a decent looking game, so I'm not gonna give it any. Oh, that what? My phone became unresponsive. Then we'll restart. Yeah, so it's not a very large game. I will be doing some Pixel Racer if that's what people are looking to see me play, because I know Slaptrain plays that as well. Obviously, he has a lot more experience than me on it, so I'm not very good at the game. And yeah, so let me just sort this out, and then we'll do, I guess, 1 or 2 more races, and then we'll see what we're on cash wise, and then should be fine. So do 2 more races and then we should be fine. I will change the track if you guys want me to. There is a bigger track that I know of, but I tried it and I'm not very good with the track yet. So I think I'm going to put a bit of practice into that track, and then I'm going to show like the track. If you have the game, please screenshot your cars and send them in, because I'd like to see what cars my viewers are using. Then the comment section is going to be full with this car, because for some reason, oh no, yeah, that's a bad one. Alright, so first transition. I will be playing with others. I probably will be playing on the Xbox a lot after Christmas, because why not? Yeah, that's a bad one. Right, so we don't currently we don't have. Oh, really? Oh yeah, there were a thing that we're saving up for. I can't remember what it is. I think it might have been that one. Yeah. Right, so like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.